It has been so special to be here at the Pride Eucharist. It's a gathering of people from loads of different churches, and perhaps some for whom church is new. Pride is just such a wonderful, welcoming festival. I feel a great sense of being welcomed myself, as well as having an opportunity as Christians together to offer a welcome to everyone who's here. We've just had a really amazing Eucharist with an incredible message given by one of the members of the gathering about what it is to be chosen, to be holy and to be loved. A really great exploration of what a generous welcome looks like.